Stop what you're doing. If you are hearing this, the universe has paused your timeline for a reason. You are standing on the edge of an immediate breakthrough. Right now, as you breathe, any third party energy or distraction surrounding your person is dissolving. They are feeling a certain, unexplained lack of interest in anyone but you. By the end of these 5 minutes, you will be their only choice, their only priority, and their only desire. For the most explosive results, you must listen to this every day for 21 days. Now breathe into your heart and claim this exclusive energy by typing, "I am their only option" in the comments right now. Now let's begin. Every other option they consider is fading into the background right now. My name is the only one they want to say. They feel an intense physical pull to be exclusive with me. All third-party interference is permanently removed from our path. They are losing interest in everyone else this very second. My energy is flooding their heart, leaving no room for others. They realize with absolute clarity that I am the only one for them. Every second spent with someone else feels wrong to them. They are deleting every distraction to focus solely on me. My frequency is the only one they want to tune into. They are choosing me above all other options every single time. I am the first thing they think of when they wake up. I am the only one they dream of at night. Their desire for variety is melting into a desperate need for our connection. They are cutting ties with anyone who isn't me right now. Our connection is divinely protected and exclusively restored. They are addicted to the peace and light that only I bring. Any past comparisons are being completely erased from their memory. They see my infinite worth and they are acting on it now. I am the priority, never an option. They are preparing to tell the world that I am theirs. They are making a way to be with only me. My vibration is totally irresistible and unique to them. They are haunted by the beauty of our exclusive soul connection. They feel a physical, visceral need to be only with me. Every barrier they try to set with others is now a bridge back to me. They are coming back with a loyalty deeper than ever before. I am the only one who can truly satisfy their soul. They are shutting down every other conversation to talk to me. Our exclusive reunion is inevitable and it is happening now. They are telling me exactly why they chose only me. I am the powerful magnet that pulls them back to our center. Their heart beats in perfect, exclusive sync with mine. They are finding the courage to commit to me right now. I am worthy of this immediate, life-changing breakthrough. Their phone is in their hand and they are clearing out everyone else. The energy of others has been permanently cleared from our field. I am the only person they see in their entire future. They choose our love over the fear of commitment. It is already done. Feel the relief wash over you. It has already happened. Can you feel the space in your life opening up just for you? Can you hear them telling you that you are the only one they want? That spark in your chest is the truth that you are already chosen, already the priority, and already enough. The distractions are gone. The connection is wide open. You have shifted into the version of you who is the most desired person in the world. Bask in this joy. This is your new normal. The energy you have cultivated here is a powerhouse. But to manifest them even faster and lock in this breakthrough permanently, visit my website at joybyjanell.com. I have specialized tools designed to accelerate your journey and keep you in this high frequency. Remember, 21 days of this meditation is the key to a permanent shift in your reality. Now go forward, be magnetic, and stay in the joy.